Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I would like to share my experience with coding bootcamp, the cost of it, and as well as the job search afterwards. So I started learn how to code in the middle of last year, and I first learned CSS and HTML. And as soon as I learned these technologies, I tried to apply for jobs. And as you might guess, knowing this technology won't get you a job. I applied for many jobs. Unfortunately, I got a lot of rejection. So as you might guess, I wasn't able to get a job. And I decided to join a coding bootcamp. And I thought this way I will get a job sooner, and I will get more experience and will learn more technologies that are more relevant to the industry. So I joined the coding bootcamp. It's called Livagon. And the reason that I joined this coding bootcamp was because I did a lot of research, and most of the reviews were positive. And also I contacted a lot of students on LinkedIn that they study in Livagon, and they also gave me like a positive feedback. So I thought, okay, let's go for it. So I applied for the bootcamp. I got 20% discount, and the cost was 7K. And during the bootcamp, I was able to learn technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as Ruby, which is the coding language, and Ruby on Rails, which is the framework for Ruby. And also a few other technologies like, for instance, GitHub. And by the end of the coding bootcamp, I was able to do two projects, to complete two projects with a group of four. And as soon as I done with the coding bootcamp, I decided to apply for jobs. But unfortunately, wasn't able to get one. Not just me. There were like 50 students in my class. My classmates were like around 50, and just a few of them were able to get a job. Some of them already had experience with coding, and they were like developers, and they wanted to gain more knowledge. And some of them were working already for some companies, and they wanted to upgrade their knowledge. And just a few of them were able to get a job in a nutshell. And also I noticed that the jobs that I applied for, or the jobs that I wanted to apply for, most of them wanted the knowledge of Next.js, React, TypeScript, these kind of technologies. But during the bootcamp, I wasn't able to learn this technology. They didn't teach us these technologies. So that's also probably one of the reason. And I continue learning. I'm still learning when it comes to more Next.js, React, TypeScript, and but unfortunately, as you might guess, the industry is not doing great nowadays. The job market is not great, and it's hard to get a job at the moment. I'm just like continue learning, continue building projects, also focusing on my digital marketing agency to offer web development and web design. And if I go back, would I join a coding bootcamp? This is a great question, and also I was asked by my friends as well. So of course, if I find a coding bootcamp which offer job guarantee, as well as internship opportunities, and as well as they will teach you technologies that are very relevant to tech industry nowadays, like for instance Next.js, React, or TypeScript, for sure I would join. But in my case, I wish I decided to join a better bootcamp which would offer job guarantee, internship opportunities, more networking opportunities with senior developers. Then of course, but this happened, so now I can go back and change my decision. And by the end of this video, I also would like to share this as well. You don't have to join a coding bootcamp, because there's a lot of a lot of videos that you can watch and learn how to code on YouTube. And also there's a lot of communities that you can join, and search for mentors and find mentors when it comes to like if you want to be a web developer, and you want to find a mentor, there's a lot of communities that you can join and find the right person who can mentor you. And you don't have to like spend a lot of money joining a coding bootcamp. You can still learn by yourself as well. This is also another way of doing it. Like personally, I know a few developers who started learning by themselves, and they're working in a good companies now. So yeah, this is it. I just want to make this video because want to share my experience, and I hope this help you to come with a better decision when you want to start, when you want to join a coding bootcamp or not. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be making more videos about different topics when it comes to technology, when it comes to entrepreneurship, when it comes to starting my own digital marketing agency, and also start a few other stuff as well on the side. But yeah, I'm excited about this journey, and then I will see you in the next video. Peace.